Right, here we are out at Queensland, Matsuri 2024. The place is filling up quite quickly. I'm going to go check it out and see what it's all about. There's a lot of cool cars here and a lot of people. It's only early. Oh, look. We have one of the monsters. This car here, Big Ron's, that is coming up on an episode of In the Sheds. Me and Ronnie sat down and have a good chat. So I'm going to find him later on and have a bit of a yarn with him. But we've got some very, very nice cars. This place is absolutely packed. There's people everywhere. A lot of cool shit going on. There's one over there. Here it is. We got Dory Junkie's car. Also sat down the other night with him, Daigo, 𝗠𝗲𝘁, and we did an episode in his shed. And these boys are thrashing to get this thing done. And it's good to see it's out here. All right, so we got Daigo's car here. The boys obviously thrashing around to get that ready yesterday. And here it is at the track now. So all the way from Japan. The boys were saying the other night that front bar is worth quite a lot of cash. I got to pick it up and have a feel of it the other night at the workshop, and that thing is so light. And have a look at this thing. They put the engine right back in these, obviously to get the weight away from the front of it, potentially. I don't know why, but obviously there's a reason behind it. We've got Jun over here. He just traveled, it was like 25 hours. He was on a plane for to get over here, and now the man's working flat out. So credit to him. Daigo. There's the man himself. Got Toby topping up the blinker fluid.
Yeah, just straight water around here.
What's the secret to the blinker fluid?
Just water.
Just water? No mix?
Probably had a bit of water wetter in there one time.
Is that for the left indicator or the right one?
This is the left one, that's the right one.
Ah, yep.
You gotta feel both up.
You have to.
Otherwise it doesn't go straight.
Okay, yep.
So 2-7 little old white Toyota high, 347 HS8. So both those cars will be Situation RMX 347 HS8 347.
It's pretty warm today. Just got into the shade and you can feel a massive difference. But this is the action pit lane. It's not massively busy yet. There's a lot of cars in the pit. Obviously people are gathering in, but all down the back there, people camp and it's quite a party. Let's go into race control and let's see what's going on in here. right, we're here. We're at Motorculture Australia. I believe this car is for sale. This car could be for sale. Liberty Walk. Tag your photo, Motorculture, and you could win this one. So I'm at the Motorculture place. We got Maria here.
Welcome to the Motorculture tent.
How do I win that?
That one you can't win. We can win every other car. We do about 5 to 1.
Okay. What's up for grabs?
We've got the HSV GCS, the 557 upgrade. We've got a Ford F-150 and Meredith Metalworks installed everything on it.
And the boys over here, they need some digits.
Well, there's the digits. You can call 1-800-MOTORCULTURE.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. 1-800-Motorculture.
1-800-MOTORCULTURE.
All right, the best part of the day is the food time. Got there, bros?
Yeah.
What's to go there, big guy? What do we got on the menu?
A basket meal, bit of chicken, bit of protein.
The best bit. Food reviews. We don't come out to the car events for the cars, we come for the food.
Always the food.
Boys are on. Got there. Hello, mate. Hang on a second. I'll call you back. I'm just got YouTube. Give me 2 seconds. So we're up here at the bar. Massive thanks to the boys at Queensland Raceway for putting on the show. Big Josh and Matty always putting on a good deal. Matsuri is killing it. It is absolutely stinking hot outside. But that's why we're up here enjoying a cold bevy. Let's go. Matsuri, Queensland's absolutely pumping. Cars everywhere. All the way back out to the car park. All the way down there. Cars as far as you can see. People are going ham. Everyone's back out on the track. Drifting as far as you can see.
Drifting there, drifting there.
Brother, tell us, where do we find your YouTube channel?
You can Chasing Clout.
Chasing Clout.
Or Instagram Tobias Jameson.
Make sure you get on it. The man's out here living the dream. The boy's always working away as usual. Got heaps going on here. I want to get the man Juddy on the camera again. Brother, how's your day going?
Yeah, good mate, good. Yeah, I'll answer you properly this time, buddy. Yeah.
Never a dull moment. That's how famous he is. He's now taking signatures. Can you sign my chest, please, sir? That's sick. That's sick. That is what it's all about. I'd just like to thank my sponsors, James Squire, for absolutely fucking nothing.